How's it going, guys? In this episode, we're going to show you how to add world clocks for other cities in your clock. Okay? So, first of all, we're going to head on over to the clock app. As you can see, mine is right here, but if you cannot find yours because it's somewhere else, you can always just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so, so you can open the search bar. Okay, you're going to type in clock and right there. Okay, click right there where it says clock. Okay, so as you can see, we opened the clock, but it has four sections. The first one right here on the bottom right, it says timer, then on the left says stopwatch, then alarm, and then world clock. Okay, I'm just gonna go through each one of them so you can know which one is which. This is the timer, this is the stopwatch right here. Then you can set your alarms right here. And right here are the world clocks. Okay, so as you can see, I only have two of them. I have one for Cupertino and one for New York. Okay, and you can see right here how many hours they are before or after my current city. I am right now in Central Time. So right now it's 6 p.m. Okay, so it's 6:05 p.m. to be precise. So as you can see with Cupertino, it says -2 hours. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and 6 plus 1 in New York, that's 7. Okay, so let's say you want to add a new city. Okay, you're going to click right here on the top right on the plus sign right there, and you can either scroll down and find your city, or right here on the right you see these letters. You can search by alphabet. Okay, let's say right here we're at the P section. For example, we can add Paris, France. Let's do that. Let's add Paris, and that's it. Right there you can have Paris, and you can see it's 7 hours plus from where I am, so it's now 1:06 a.m. Okay, now the other way to add it is click again on the plus sign, and if you don't want to scroll and search for your city, you can always just add it. Let's say I want to add, I don't know, San Francisco, California in the USA. Okay, so there it is. It's -2 hours. It's 4:07 p.m. and there we go. Now, let's say you want to edit this. You want to edit this list. You're going to hit right here on the top left where it says edit. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have this little red dots. If you click on, let's say we want to delete Paris. Okay. We can do that. Just click there. And there's a prompt for delete. Hit that. And that's it. You deleted Paris. Now, there's another interesting thing you can do here. You can organize your cities. For example, if I want to see San Francisco on the top of the list, I can press and hold these little three lines on the right of each city and move them around. Okay, so let's move San Francisco all the way to the top. Okay, press and hold, and then just scroll up, and then let go. Okay, and let's do the same for New York. Let's say I want to have New York in second place. Just press and hold, move up. Okay, and once you're done, just click anywhere else, like right here. Okay, or here, hit here. Hit here where it says done, and there you go. You organize your list, and you're ready to go. So that's one way to access the clock. Just wanted to mention one other way. There's actually two more ways. The next one we're going to review is the Siri mode. Okay, I'm just gonna head on over to my desktop, to my main page, by swiping up from the bottom of my screen like so. Okay, now I'm gonna ask Siri to help us out with this. I'm gonna press and hold the power button on the right side of my iPhone until Siri appears, and we're gonna ask her to help us to open the clock. Okay, here we go. Hi Siri, please open the clock. And there it is. Okay, And let's say there's a third way to go to the clock. Okay, I'm just going to return to my main screen. Okay, the other way is to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen like so. And if you have the icon available, as you can see here, I have the stop, the timer available. I can hit that, and it's going to take me to the timer. So like we talked at the beginning, we have the 4 icons on the bottom, and I can select world clock, and that's it. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will continue to give you guys more tips. Cheers.